question in my mind. So I wanted to ask you for your opinion. What's that? So let's listen. See, if you had only one matchstick, only one, and you entered a room and you found an oil burner, kerosene lamp, and a wood burning stove. So which would you like first? This is my question actually. Okay, so let's keep this question as it is. Let's move on to the next one, our main story, which is a school trip to Hampi. See, here there are different characters in this. Listen. So first one was Suraj. He asked Mohan that, Mohan, have you taken permission from your parents to go to school trip? So Mohan said, my parents were happy about the place, so they were more than happy to send me. What about you, Anand? So Anand said, same here. My sister told me that even in the destroyed condition, Hampi speaks highly of a King Krishna Devaraya. Then George, he said, a Vijayanagar empire was founded by Hakka and Bukka. I read it on the internet. It is situated on the banks of river Tungabhadra. So Suraj said, we are still thinking of getting permission and you have already collected some information. What more have you read? Chuzia said that, one more thing that I understood. There is a stone chariot. There is also the Vithala temple that has a special type of pillars. When struck, they give out a 7 musical notes. And you will learn more when we go there. Okay, when you come to the class also. Then Mohan said, alright, Mr. Cornwall, we will meet next Friday then. Bye everybody. And then the Suraj and Mohan have gone far away from their group after going to the trip. Okay, where they all come to Hampi now with their teachers. So they were in a trip, so they both went far away. So Suraj said, Mohan, look at that old building near the river. Mohan said, shall we go and see what it is? So Suraj said, sure, it looks like a mantapa. So now after conversation, the both of them will enter the mantapa. So Suraj asked Mohan, he was saying Mohan that, look, there is a statue of a man with a tambura in his hand. So Mohan said, and a pair of cymbals too is Purandara Dasa. So Suraj said, he is a devotee of Lord Vishnu. He composed devotional songs and sang in praise of him. What a simplicity in this look. Can you believe it? He was a rich man before he became a devotee of Lord. Can you please tell me his story? I don't know the details. We will go to our teacher. She will tell us the story. Yes, it will be fun. She is sitting there with the others. Shall we go? Come, let's go. So likewise, these two guys, they went near the teacher. So about this story, there is one more lesson called Purandara Dasa 2. In that, we're going to learn a story about Purandara Dasa. Now let us continue with the poem which is called I Am a Music Man. I am a music man. I came from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play the piano. Pia, pia, piano. Piano, piano, pia, pia, piano, pia, piano. I am a music man. I came from far away and I can play. What can you play? I can play a big drum. Boom de boom de boom de boom, boom de boom de boom. Yes, this is such a nice poem, and this is about the lesson Purandara Dasa, and I'm a music man.